Hi friends, today I'll tell you how to make magical or reversed video. First of all, open Play Store and search for Reverse Movie FX. Download the first app and open it. Click on Start Reverse. You will see two options. Click on Record Movie. Record a video. After recording the video, click on Tick button. It will take some time to load. When the loading is complete, select the start and end point and click on Start. You will see three options in output movie. Reverse, reverse plus original and original plus reverse. Let it be reversed. You will see an option add filter. There are many filter but let it be none. Then you can also add a music. After adding the music, click on start reversing. It will take some time to reverse your video. Now the video has been reversed. You can see the difference between the original and the reversed video. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also check out my previous videos.